even if you're the best day trader on earth and you start with $1,000, you can't turn $1,000 into $1 million within 3 years.
Yes, you can. It's actually way easier than you think. Let me show you how. The first thing that you want to do is open up a trading account with your favorite broker. Secondly, deposit $1,000. Now this is how you're going to make $1 million. Now once you have done that, all you are going to do, catch 300 pips at 1% risk. At the end of the year, you will have $23,000. Now let's compound this. Look, the key here is to use your profits to make more money. Now in the second year, we are going to reuse our $23,000. From here, we are going to apply the same strategy of 300 pips a month and risking 1% per trade. And at the end of the year, this will give you over $500,000. Applying the same strategy, now you have got over $11 million in your third year. Yes, that's $11 million in 3 years. If you want this compound plan, comment below and check the link in the bio. If you want to see more trading content like this, make sure you follow.